support that made it feel like paradise. So for that, I thank you all. I appreciate every single one of you motherfuckers, and I love every single, because what was supposed to be the toughest time in my life ended up being the most valuable time in my life because of y'all. Thank you. Thank you. I just wanted you to miss me while I was gone. Shit. Sing the motherfucking sound. Tell me what you down for, anything you down for. Some things have changed, no, I used to be around. Now I'm from the shit. I just hope that you miss it. Motherfucker, goddamn. Kicking bitches out the condo like Cam. Getting money every day, I'm a groundhog. That's stupid girl.